Is it? You just committed a crime. You're peeing in public. You could be arrested. Do you want that?
In Albuquerque, New Mexico, officers observed a man urinating in public while his companion attempted to reverse the vehicle and flee. What began as a misdemeanor nuisance stop produced 5 criminal charges, including felony battery on a law enforcement officer, all documented on Bodycam.
Roll the window down. This one.
Roll it all the way down.
Yes, it is a law. Or you can step out the vehicle. You know how to step out the vehicle. I'm telling you, step out the vehicle.
You too. Yes.
You just committed a crime at public, okay? So next time I suggest don't flip us off when you're committing a crime. Okay, just don't act stupid like that. Where's your ID?
I don't have an ID.
You don't
I'm
have
not
an
from
ID?
here.
Okay, where are you from? What's your name? Is that your full name? Last name? Step away from the car and move to the front. Step away from the driver's side, move to the front, and put your handcuffs. I'm not playing with you. I'm telling you to step to the front of the car.
Have a seat on that ledge. What's your name? What is it? What's your actual name? Say on your ID. Spell that. What's your last name? Look at me, dude.
I'm not. I'm spelling out my
ID?
last name to you.
Where's your ID?
I'm spelling out my last name to you.
Okay. What's your social?
I don't know.
You don't know your social?
No.
Sit tight. Sit down. Sit down. I'm not going to tell you again. Sit down.
This is actually crazy.
Is it? You just committed a crime. You're peeing in public. You could be arrested. Do you want that?
No.
She is.
Why me?
Because you peed. What do you mean, why you?
Because I peed. What?
Yes, because you urinated. You can't urinate in public. I can smell it.
I did not do that.
You didn't do it?
No.
Okay. Well, we saw it, so you could try to lie to us all you want. It doesn't matter.
So what's happening right now?
You've been detained? That's what's happening right now?
What?
You've been detained. That's what's happening right now.
Why?
For urinating in public.
Stand up and put your hands behind your back.
Y'all probably
The detention was constitutionally valid at the first moment of contact. Under Terry v. Ohio 1968, officers require only reasonable and articulable suspicion to detain a person. Direct observation of a criminal act under New Mexico Statute Section 38.3 satisfies that threshold without a warrant and without argument. Both subjects refused commands to exit the vehicle. Under Pennsylvania v. Mims 1977, officers may order any occupant out of a lawfully stopped vehicle as a routine matter of officer safety. That order is not optional. Refusal constitutes an independent criminal offense separate from the original charge. Both subjects refused to provide complete identification. Under New Mexico statutes, Section 3022. One willfully misleading an officer during a lawful investigation is a criminal offense. Refusing to give a last name and claiming not to know one's own social security number are affirmative acts of obstruction documented on camera, not constitutionally protected positions. Under New Mexico statutes, Section 66.8.102, attempted operation of a motor vehicle while impaired is sufficient for a DWI charge. The driver's attempt to flee at initial contact established that exposure before any test was administered. Sergeant Johnson's subsequent detection of alcohol through the open window created a fully independent second basis for suspicion captured on Bodycam.
Sit down.
What are y'all doing now? Like calling some cops up here? Like your ass?
No, you're going to jail, dude.
I am, but what are y'all doing now? Like calling some cops like into your ass?
You gotta get your friend out of the car because she's going to jail too.
Yeah, so they're gonna do what? Your ass?
Nobody's going to do that.
Okay, we'll see. I love you! Okay, listen, can you hear me? Can you hear me? They said we're both going to jail. I don't know. because apparently I peed outside. I miss it though. Can you get a picture? You should get a cute picture of me.
Sit down, dude. Huh? Let's go. Let's go this way. This way.
I love you.
Interesting. Ain't that something? We just picked up a couple more charges, friend. Let's see.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Sergeant Johnson with APD. Can you tell me what's going on tonight? Okay. So
her we didn't see driving, but she had the intention. When we pulled up, her friend was peeing, so they tried to jump in the car and take off right away. She put the car in reverse, wanted to, but we stopped her. So
Okay.
there's the intention of driving.
Sure. Okay, ma'am. I'm Sergeant Johnson with the Albuquerque Police Department. Okay. So you are being detained. You're not free to leave. Everything's been recorded. Okay. If you resist arrest, force will be used against you.
Wait, I was arrested?
No, you're being detained at this time. Okay, so I'm going to tell you again, okay? I'm Sergeant Johnson with the Albuquerque Police Department. Everything's been recorded. You are being detained. You're not free to leave. Okay, if you resist, force will be used against you. Okay, so you're under suspicion for DWI. Okay, so you're going to have the opportunity to do field sobriety tests.
Her friend has 57 on her too, so
Okay.
we could be doing that.
Ma'am, can you roll down your window? Ma'am, we can't allow you to leave. So we're going to have to shatter the window if you don't comply, ma'am. Okay? Because you are being detained. Okay? If you do not comply, okay, we're going to have to shatter the window. You understand? It's up to you, ma'am. It'll be your choice. You need to step out of the vehicle and you have the opportunity to do field sobriety tests, ma'am. Okay?
Y'all do not have permission to.
Okay, that's fine, ma'am. I'm glad you came out here, okay? So I'm going to give you the opportunity to do field sobriety tests, okay? I can smell the alcohol in your breath. So would you like to do field sobriety tests, ma'am? Everything's been recorded. I'm Sergeant Johnson with the Albuquerque Police Department. You are being detained. You're not free to leave.
It's very obvious. You said you smelled alcohol on my breath.
Correct.
As soon as I stepped out of the car.
No, ma'am, the window was open. Did you forget?
No, I have it recorded.
Okay, everything's been recorded, ma'am. Okay?
Yes.
You are being detained. You're not free to leave. If you resist arrest, force will be used against you. Okay, do you understand? Mm-hmm. Okay, so now we're going to come over here, okay? You have an opportunity to do field sobriety test. You want to do field sobriety test, ma'am? Do not move your head. Lift your foot up. And time. Okay, ma'am, go and put on your sandals. Okay, so ma'am, you are going to be under arrest for DWI tonight, okay?
How?
You'll get a chance to write a breath sample at the Prisoner Transport Center, okay?
No.
So listen, ma'am, okay?
No. How
okay.
did I fail?
So listen, okay? Everything's been
failed.
okay. I'm Sergeant Johnson with the Albuquerque Police Department.
Did I fail?
Okay? Everything's been recorded.
Did I fail?
Okay. You are under arrest for DWI, okay? If you resist arrest, force will be used against you.
Did I fail?
You performed poorly, ma'am.
How?
Okay. So ma'am, remember, this is going to be played in
How
court.
did I fail poorly?
Okay, so ma'am, this is going to be played in court, okay? You're dealing with a misdemeanor crime. Please don't turn this into a felony. If you turn it into a felony, then it's going to be under...
Okay, just do what you got to do.
Okay, thank you.
When the driver refused to exit after formal detention advisement, officers warned they would shatter the window to gain compliance. Under Graham versus Connor, 1989 force is judged by objective reasonableness from the officer's perspective at the moment of decision, not in hindsight. A detained subject who refuses repeated commands and remains barricaded in a vehicle meets that standard. Officers administered the one-leg stand test, a standardized evaluation, validated by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Poor performance correlates statistically with a blood alcohol level at or above 0.08%. The subject's failure constitutes independent probable cause for DWI arrest regardless of any subsequent breath test. Following arrest, the driver was advised under New Mexico's Implied Consent Act Section 668111 every person who operates a vehicle in New Mexico is deemed to have consented to chemical testing upon DWI arrest. The Intoxilyzer 8000 confirmed her blood alcohol concentration at or above the legal limit. That result is now before the district attorney as admissible evidence. During the arrest, the driver kicked Officer Gomez in the chest. Under New Mexico statutes, Section 33(4), any intentional unlawful physical contact with an officer in lawful discharge of duty constitutes battery on a peace officer. That single act elevated the case from misdemeanor DWI to a multi-count file with felony exposure. Sergeant Johnson had warned her seconds earlier not to turn a misdemeanor into a felony.
Okay, we'll be nothing but respect for you, okay, ma'am?
I didn't do anything wrong, so I'm very confused right now. Another pieces of
Ma'am, remember, everything's been recorded, okay?
I don't give a that doesn't make you less a piece of a that it's being recorded.
Okay, really
Obviously, you don't care it's
ma'am,
being recorded
you're
that you're
really
a piece
small,
of
okay, so please try not to slip your
It
cuffs,
does
okay?
not matter to you, that you're a shit,
Okay, hold on, ma'am. Can you put your hands back towards me a little bit more? Thank you. Just gonna make sure these don't get too tight on you, okay?
Right.
Okay, ma'am, can you do me a favor, open your mouth? I have to check your mouth, okay? Is there anything in your mouth? No?
I have a tongue ring.
Yeah, but is there any gum?
No.
No? Okay. All right. Yeah, you guys can do it
Or
too.
my. This is
740 PD.
This is absolutely insane. I cannot believe.
You guys down there?
Yes, sir. Go ahead and sit down for me. Go ahead and you can sit down right here in front. Just is that you?
Yeah.
That is you? No, it's not.
Yes.
Is that really you?
Yeah.
Where were you born?
If you don't identify yourself,
She'll get extra charges if she doesn't identify
because
herself.
she's yeah. So what's your name?
So she'll get extra charges
Yes,
if she doesn't
because
identify herself.
yep.
My name's
What's your social?
your mom.
Yeah, you look like your mom did a good job.
Your mom did it.
Hey, look who's here and look who's there. Quit talking, okay? I already told you. You want to go in the cage, you guys say one more word. All right, get in the cage then.
Officers and Sergeant Johnson receive a B+. The stop was lawful, the investigation followed protocol, and composure was maintained throughout a hostile encounter. The female driver receives a D. Every decision she made from attempted flight to striking an officer converted a misdemeanor into a felony case fully preserved on Bodycam. The male passenger receives a C-, a minor offense made worse at every step by unnecessary obstruction. 3 principles apply to every police encounter. 1. When an officer directly observes a criminal act, detention is immediate and lawful, and there is no legal challenge available at the scene. 2. Non-compliance during a lawful detention does not protect rights. It creates new charges with every refusal. 3. Everything recorded on Bodycam is reviewed by prosecutors and presented in court before any defense attorney has spoken a single word. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.